In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your crypto or USDT on Kucoin and get money into your bank account smoothly and efficiently. If you're new to this process or just want a refresher, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you understand what to do at every stage. Let's dive in. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Kucoin website. This is your go-to platform for a variety of crypto exchanges and trades. Make sure you're on the official website to avoid any phishing scams that imitate Kucoin's appearance. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, usually situated prominently at the top of the page. Click on it and then enter your login credentials. If you're concerned about security, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the Kucoin homepage again. You should see a section labeled Assets. This is where you manage all your crypto holdings and transactions. Click on Assets to proceed. Next, find the Buy Crypto option. Don't let the wording confuse you. This is where you initiate both buying and selling operations. Click on it, and within there, you should see an option labeled P2P, which stands for peer-to-peer trading. This is a crucial step in the process because P2P trading allows you to sell directly to other users and transfer the money into your bank account easily. Go ahead and click on P2P. Once you click P2P, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Here, click OK to proceed. This step confirms the transition to the P2P trading platform where you can view available offers from buyers wanting to purchase your cryptocurrency. Take a moment to look through the offers and select the one that best suits your requirements in terms of price and payment method. With all that set, you're ready for the final step. Selling your USDT or other cryptocurrencies. Find and click on the Sell button. It will guide you through the selling process, including setting the amount you wish to sell and choosing your preferred currency for the transaction. Ensure all the details are correct before finalizing the sale. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively sell your USDT on Kucoin and have the money transferred to your bank account. Remember, always double-check every detail during your transaction to ensure accuracy and security. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.